string is Sunil, length is 10, let's say, and character is asterisk. Test it. You will see 5 characters in the left hand side. Let's say if I make this as 15, what will happen? You will see 10 star. Okay, 10 star. This is L padding, padding on the left hand side, and this is R padding, padding on the right hand side. Both are similar. Lowercase, uppercase, I don't need to explain. I think lowercase is Sunil, output will be lowercase. Okay, uppercase is just uppercase. And then pad adds a space at the beginning and at the end of the string. So you can test it. Regular expression will cover, okay, but not now. After some time we'll cover. Rpad, split and reverse, these are all very simple functions. So Sunil Mohanty, let's say, test it. You see that it is splitting and reversing it. So Mohanty Sunil. If you give any space like comma, it won't detect. Okay, so there you give the comma here also. So now it can detect. Output tag also, if you want to change it, you see the separator here. Okay, simple. Substring can be quite useful. Substring, let's say Sunil, and I want to extract something at, let's say I want to extract NIL. So where is the occurrence? 1, 2, 3, third character, right? 3, length is 3. Test it. So NIL. Okay, length is 2 means NI, just I'll get it. Same thing that you have in databases. I mean, it's very simple. Title case, see what it is doing. Sunil Kumar, let's say, month. So you can see S capitals, K capitals, M capitals. That is the meaning of title case. Okay, and trim. Trims removes the white space at the beginning and at the end of the input. So trim is just trimming, removing white spaces. Very useful. Okay. So you can see here, these are all the different string functions that are there. Now let's try to understand the noise filters. Noise filters, you can see there are many noise filters. For example, you will understand later when I go through the requirement. Okay, let's skip this actually, this noise filters, because we will be creating our own noise filters. Okay, so no need to worry about the noise filter what Informatica is giving. We can either enhance this noise filter or create our own. Better we'll create our own. Okay, and so that's why this is not necessary, so you can skip it. And coming to the miscellaneous function, these are slightly complicated. So miscellaneous function I'll directly show you practically. In the mapping document, if I go in the mapping sheet, here I'll tell you directly what are these things. Okay, we'll be talking about this noise filters in here. Okay, so this is nothing but the noise filter, noise and digits. This is noise. Okay, so we'll be talking about that there. And the miscellaneous function, we'll be talking about them directly. Noise filter, miscellaneous function, mathematical function. So since I already told you that you already know the definition of MDM correctly, the correct definition, so you understand this very clearly, that in MDM we don't have measures. So measures are something that is missing, that's not there. Since measures are not there, so that's why it doesn't make much sense to do mathematical calculations, because what you would calculate, because there's nothing to calculate, there's nothing to sum up or calculate, right? So that's why you will see that these mathematical functions are not that much useful, so you can neglect it simply. But if you want to learn still, you go ahead, add floats, read what is the description, see the input output, go and test it, then you can learn. Okay, as per my knowledge, most of you won't be using any of this except like subtract integer or something sometimes, or subtract floats. Round might be useful sometimes, and multiply integers, these are all not necessary. Okay, coming to logic functions, these are all very useful logic functions. This one is, first one is AND, then choose date, many different things you can see are there. Okay, AND is AND, so you can understand AND means this and this, then only the